kind of ironic that in a world where it's never been easier to get online and be seen, that in fact it is actually harder and harder to get online and be seen. So if you're a painting contractor and you feel like you're just kind of burnt, you're tired of doing everything alone, specifically your marketing and getting your name out there and understanding what brand management means for your business. If you're already doing Facebook, social media, advertising, you need to do it. But with the introduction of AI and the growth of the internet and the changing nature of the internet, it's actually becoming harder and harder to rank your website, rank your brand, and get in the front of the eyes of customers near you. My name is Paul. I'm from Trusted House Painter and House Painter Digital. What I recommend you do is sign up for a free Trusted House Painter profile that allows you to be seen on an app, which is just like every other app, except it's a platform that attracts homeowners to go find local painters. So sign up, it's free. There's no risk to you. You get on the app. You can put all your information about your painting company. You can put your backlink to your website. And if you need help with your digital marketing in any way, you need a website. You've been working on a website for a long time, but it doesn't seem to be going anywhere, or now you're learning about SEO and then you're learning about backlinks and all that jazz. You're tired of doing all that and you want a team that's going to work with you and help you with your brand. That's what Trusted House Painter does. We also use our app, which is your profile, to also help market your brand. We also use our website, Trusted House Painter, to create basically custom landing pages for you using our brand, but dedicating it solely for you. So it's exclusive as well. That's part of our platinum membership. Anyways, if you need any help whatsoever with your website, getting a website, with your SEO, if you need help in any way, shape, or form, that's what House Painter Digital can do for you. We can also get you on Trusted House Painter. So it's a dual app. It's a new community. If you're interested, you can leave a message on this page. You can call us at 1-866-724-6818. You can contact us and we'll be happy to chat with you, determine your needs. And sometimes it's not even a perfect match, but we're pretty disciplined about helping our painters get online and get more visibility in this tough time, especially with AI and whatnot. So pleasure meeting you. Let me know if you need any help.